So we're back here again at the stadium. Dito ko dinala uli kasi nag-bike tour ako. So this is one of the stops sa bike tour. Ayan. Olympic Stadium. You can go in, but look at the line up here. Like, you won't really have enough time to go there. So, ano masasabi niyo sa Olympic Stadium na? So, it's made of marbles daw. Tingnan nga natin yung mga info. So there we go. 60,000 persons total capacity. Yan ang mga nakapila. Napakadami.